So in this RBC Direct Investing tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to sell an ETF on RBC Direct Investing. So once the app is opened up, I want you to go ahead and either select a stock from your portfolio or just go ahead and search up a stock that you own. So in this demonstration, I'll go to the bottom. I will search or I will go ahead and place order. And let's say you own a very classic ETF, XEQT, XEQT. So just go ahead and search that up. I will then go ahead and press on this. So once you have your stock selected or your ETF selected, in this case an ETF that you want to sell, it's not working right now. I'll go ahead and search this up again. I'll just go to VFV as an example. Let's say you have VFV. There it is. Okay, so once this is selected, go ahead and select the account that you're selling it from. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. Once your account is selected, where it says action, go ahead and select that. You can go ahead and make sure that sell is selected because you're selling the ETF. Once sell is selected, you can go ahead and do the type of sell that you're looking for. So if you want a market sell, a limit sell, or a stop limit sell, you can go ahead and edit it that way, as well as type in the quantity. So if you wanted to sell 5 shares, you type in 5 under quantity. It'll then show you the estimated value, and then it'll factor in commissions, and at the bottom it'll show you how much you'll be selling and how much you will be selling it for. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to sell an ETF on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.